Before you think voice cloning is scary, this is even worse. AI can now replace your face in videos. And the scariest part, it looks completely real. You could be saying things you never said. AI studies your face, from photos, videos, everything online. It learns your expressions, the way you move, how you look from every angle. Then it rebuilds you and creates videos of you doing things you never did. This isn't just technology, it's a weapon. It can create fake evidence, destroy your reputation, spread misinformation, and ruin lives. And the worst part, most people can't tell it's fake. Imagine this. A video of you goes viral. You're saying something illegal. Everyone sees it, everyone believes it, and suddenly, everyone turns against you. But it's not real. It never was. This isn't just for celebrities. Influencers get targeted, business owners get targeted. But now, anyone online is a target. If you have photos, that includes you. Protect your identity. Limit what you share online. Question what you see. Verify before you trust. And remember, just because it's viral doesn't mean it's real. Don't trust what you see anymore. AI can fake faces, it can fake voices, it can fake you. So stay alert. Question everything. Because now, seeing is not believing. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.